Custom feels faster until you pay for it every release. Every time you write a business rule, a client script, or modify a widget, the platform creates a record in the customer updates table. On the next upgrade, ServiceNow marks that record as skipped in the upgrade monitor. And from that moment on, it's yours to review, to merge, to regression test forever. So when I say out of the box first, I'm not saying never customize. I'm saying make one decision in advance. Custom needs a reason, a documented one, a governed one. Configuration is the first option. Customizations is allowed only when it extends the original intent of the application. Add IT functionality to the ITSM, fine. Band ITSM into a travel workflow, that's the end partner the docs call out by name. If you don't have that really written down, your platform is already in that. So most teams use the word customization as a catch-all. ServiceNow doesn't. There are three categories, and the bucket UR enchains everything. First one, configuration. Built-in tools that don't touch the baseline. UI policies, ACLs, variable sets, system properties, upgrade clean, fully supported. Second, customization. Any code added to a baseline object. Business rules, modified flows, custom widgets. The platform writes a sys update XML record. The upgrade, skip it. And the docs are explicit. If you add a code, you own it. Customer support won't debug your business logic. They will tell you to revert the baseline. Third, custom development. Net new scoped app in App Engine or modifications to baseline business rules. You own the full life cycle. Now, 5 questions. Architects ask them in this order every time. 1. Does the platform use it as intended already do this? If yes, stop building. 2. Can configuration alone solve it? UI policy, ACL, variable set, flow designer, subflow. 3. And this is the architect's gate. Does the customization extend the app's original purpose? Adding IT to ITSM extends intent. Adding travel to ITSM doesn't. 4. If it doesn't extend in intent, build a new scoped app in App Engine Studio. That's what it's for. 5. Customize baseline only as a last resort. Documented, justified, approved by governance. Most teams skip the first 3 questions and jump straight to step 5. That's where the technical debt comes from. So let's see 3 scenarios. 3 scenarios, same architect, but 3 different correct answers. Scenario 1, out of the box wins. The business asks, make business impact mandatory before promoting to a major incident. 1. By policy, out of the box major incident management. Done. This is literally the white policy example in ServiceNow docs, right? Scenario 2. Custom is justified. The business asks for a travel request workflow. The lazy answer is to ban ITSM. That violates the original intent of the application, right? The docs call this out by name. The correct answer, a new scoped app in the App Engine Studio. Workflow Studio for the flow. Variable sets for reuse. User criteria for access. Scenario 3. Hybrid is the right call. Catalog onboarding with 12 variations across HR, IT, and facilities. The lazy answer is 12 forked catalog items with 12 copies of approval logic. The architect's answer, one order guide. Share variable sets that you manage from a single source. Share the flow designer subflows. Catalog builder templates so HR can ship safely without writing code. Same outcome, but a fraction of the maintenance surface. Custom isn't the enemy. Customizing the wrong thing is. So, the real cost plus the principles. Here's the part most things underprice, the real cost. Every customization triggers a sys update XML records. Those land in the customer updates table. On every upgrade, the platform marks then a disposition equals skipped in the upgrade monitor. Then a human, probably you, decides for each one. Retain, revert to the base system, or merge. Multiply that by every business rule, every client script, every modified UI action, ever changed with it. Twice a year. That's your real cost of ownership. And there's a support gap built into this. ServiceNow official knowledge base says it directly. We are not certified to review customized code logic. If your custom business rule breaks during an upgrade, customer support will help you revert. They won't help you fix. So, what's the principle behind all of this? You don't have to take my word for it. ServiceNow's own architecture white paper gives you two principles you should pin to the wall. Principle 19. Use before buy. Make full use of what you already own before buying more software that makes the system harder and more expensive to manage. Principle 20. Adopt, not adapt. Use application out of the box. It's much easier to update a configured system than a customized one. And when you wave a customization, run it through three filters: extensibility, maintainability, supportability. Fail and of D3, it's that, not a feature. That's the architect's links. So here's the architect's filter. 7 questions before you customize anything. Answer all 7. 1. Can configuration alone solve it? 2. Does it extend the original intent of the app? 3. Is the business value worth owning this code for the lifetime of the platform? 4. Would the new scoped app in App Engine fit better? 5. Could an enhancement request solve it in a future release? 6. Is it documented with rationale and ATF tests? 7. Did governance approve the exception? 7. Yes. Build it. 1. No. Stop. Devs ask, can I build it? Architect ask, should it survive? The difference between those two questions is the difference between a platform that compounds value and a platform that compounds that. If this changed how you think about your next customization, comment out of the box below. In the video description, you'll find a file that will help you make a better architecture decisions. Out of the box, greater than custom. Not because custom is bad, because defaults compound.